Hey, it's all about squats today, a powerhouse move that's key in every fitness journey. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, toes turned out, back straight, spine neutral, and core engaged. As you lower, hinge at the hips, bend the knees, chest up, knees in line with toes. Think of it as sitting back into an invisible chair. Breathe in as you lower, out as you push up. Feel the burn in the quads, hamstrings, and glutes. It's a full body workout, folks. Beware of those knees collapsing inward or leaning too far forward. Balance that weight over your midfoot and maintain an upright posture. For the brave at heart, try front squats, goblet squats, or add a jump for a plyometric boost. And there you have it, the perfect squat. Add it to your routine and feel the difference. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share your favorite squat variation. Keep squatting, keep smiling. #squats, #leg day, #fitness shorts.